Hi everyone, I'm Ujjwal and you're watching DigitWise. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix app limits not working on Mac. So if you have already created app limit but your app are not being restricted when the time runs out, don't worry. In most cases, the feature has not actually broken. The problem is usually caused by incorrect setup. Maybe you have selected a wrong category or app selection. Fortunately, there are several things you can check that often resolve the issue within few minutes. So if you are facing the same issue, here's how to fix it. First, click on the Apple logo and then choose System Settings. Now in the left side pane, scroll down and then go to Screen Time and here go to App Limits. Now make sure the toggle right to app limit is enabled, and if the feature itself is disabled, none of your limits will work. Next, open the app limit that you have created and confirm that you have selected the correct app and websites. If you have accidentally limit the wrong category or app, then select the category or app you want, and you also have to check the screen time won't restricted the one you are expecting. Maybe you have selected 0 hour and 0 minute, that's why it's not working. So check that properly and then click on done. And if you use multiple Apple devices with share across device is enabled, remember that the screen time may combine your uses across devices, which can affect when the limit reaches. Finally, restart your Mac, and if nothing works, install the available Mac OS update, as software updates can often fix screen time related issue. So that's it. If this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.